The Standard Interoperability PLM project is aiming at establishing interoperability for product lifecycle management. It aims to provide a methodology to assess relevant standards and their implementation in order to check if they are suited to establish such interoperability. The ISO 15288 standard, that is a system engineering standard providing a process framework, was used in the project as a relevant standard, and here we show how it was used. The standard, that is a textual document, was modeled as a blueprint template using ArchiMate. From this template, we created different blueprints in order to contextualize the standard we want to use and the relevant organizations for standardization that are to be involved as stakeholders and actors for establishment of real mastered standards. Here is an illustration of the blueprint we created. It is not only a picture, it is a model, and it captures all the processes. Here it's the first level of decomposition, but we can go further on the details of the standard. From this map, we can then create and make the links between all the standards we would like to study in order to show which process is concerned by these standards or how it can be used in order to establish interoperability within this process or between different processes. And you can see that the standard for system engineering have been identified as potential candidate for this interoperability. It's, for example, SysML, it's Rekif, it's ISO 10303 AP233. We can also make the mapping of the different communities that are involved in the development of the standards, and it's important to govern the evolution of this standard in order to prepare interoperability. So it must be prepared really far in advance in order to anticipate and to create a situation where it will be possible to establish interoperability. So, in order to sum up, we can say that SIP allows usage of ISO 15288 processes for control urbanism of the supply chain by means of enterprise modeling based on open standard ArchiMate and usage of model-driven approach. We can also state that SIP allows usage of ISO 15288 processes for contextualization of a consistent set of relevant standards for establishing PLM interoperability. And finally, for PLM interoperability, ISO 15288 system engineering framework contributes to the establishment of supply chain members' processes interoperability as a common reference facilitating two organizations to match their own specific processes for extended enterprise.